Now we're gonna go upstairs and do something that I absolutely love, which is our mastermind, me and a small group, breaking down how to do video. So many people are struggling with this right now, and I'm just gonna unpack this, show them all the secrets, all the little hidden things that you need to know to be great at video. It's such an intimate style. Man, you're gonna love this because this is something that we've never really shown before behind the scenes. It's awesome. At the end of the day, when we do this exercise, LBs and MTs, it's a good way to be able to get feedback and have this dialogue, which is super important today where people get so offended when you try to help.
I think you went into some content, so people were like, okay, dude knows what he's talking about. And then you went into the personal side and here's who I am.
I like that.
And I like that.
If you're smart and you're sharp and you're knowledgeable in this business, I really have no way to know that until you prove it. And to me, video is the proof. If I'm trying to pick between you and them, I don't know the difference. I don't.
I think we will differentiate ourselves by doing video. And I also think that we're all spoiled right now because rates are low and business is plentiful. But you build yourself now when times are good and continue to build and build and build. And I think this is a way to do that. So when things do slow down, because everything's cyclical, that you're not drowning.
What I'm trying to convince you guys of today is that look, you have knowledge up there. And if you shared it, I'd be like, that is good information. But until you share that, I can't say good information, and I can't say, dang, you're smart.
Just had an aha moment.
What was it?
You just, it's a partnership. I'm not just trying to get your business, and we're not just saying to you, what can I do to help you get your business? What are we gonna do for our business? Like you go into it, it's like we're a partnership. You're already the preferred lender.
Yeah.
So go on it and then grow each time, and then they're gonna keep telling. Roundtable is an agent of like 200 agents. I work with like 5. How do I get in front of them? They spread the word.
And the difference is I want to try to capture your state where you teach and you educate and you share. That's the most authentic to you. That's why it would be super dope if we could get some of your clients in the room and you're just doing your thing and you capture it. Michelle, you're up. Come up here with me. Tell the group real quick, just a 1-minute version of what Reno is and why they should consider doing Reno.
Give me a call. Every situation is a little bit more unique than the next one, so give me a call and we can go over the specifics together.
Boom, right there. Good job. Let me just teach one last thing while you're up there. Is what I need you from a body language perspective, though, to make it look like that you are not terrified, nervous, or that you need to be up there, right? So listen, we just got done with our mastermind session with a bunch of my coaching group people. And you know what was amazing was we broke down how to do video. So many people are struggling with this right now. I broke it down, walked through all the individual steps, what to do before you shoot video, during your video, after your video. Man, I think that was an amazing session right there. So happy, so excited about how it turned out, but excited to share it with you too.